definitely a C3. Wonder how long it's been under there. Only one way to find out. What do you think about the carburetor right there? Yeah, needs a full rebuild, maybe the whole fuel line. It needs a lot of work. Yeah, the engine bay is filthy, and look at that rust spot on the fender. I'll take it. All right, we got a deal then. It hasn't moved in 30 years. I think it'll still run. Needs a lot of work. Keep it steady. All right, pushing now. Just a little further. All right, together now, push. Moving, keep it steady. One more good. Keep it coming slow, watch the edge of the ramp. Okay, okay, clear. Straight ahead into the wash bay, and stop right there. We need to pull this distributor cap first. See how corroded these contacts are. Yeah, I got it. Let me...
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more classic car restorations.